Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and just giving you an update for the week. Got a good score on cabinets. I was over at a friend's house, and this friend was helping another friend with a Subaru, so I went over and helped him get the transmission separated and the new clutch on, got the transmission back together and all that. And so then that guy came over and helped me out a bit by getting these Gladiator cabinets that I got and offloading them out of my truck. And so those Gladiator cabinets are pretty expensive. I bought 2 of them last year on Black Friday, and they were about $150 each with the Black Friday savings. But with my new friend getting cabinets, he was getting rid of all of his other ones, so he sold them to me for $50 each, which is a steal, especially since some of them are actually the bigger ones than the smaller ones. So anyway, the kid with the Subaru was over here helping me out. He was looking at the Cobra, and we're just kind of talking about the 2 differences in the cars and tread wear on drag radials and that kind of thing. And then he came and helped me offload all these, and I bought a total of 6 of them, and 5 were available that same day. I still have 1 more I have to go pick up, but as you can see, I had the garage cleaned out that day and all the extra parts kind of across the yard, and we just offloaded these one by one. It was nice to get them all in one haul over there, and then it took me kind of the rest of the evening to put everything back together. And it's real nice, though, to clean up the garage and put all the aerosols into, one of the cabinets. I'm able to fit a lot of the spare parts for the cars in these cabinets as well. I'll probably have to break down that Mac catback that I have for the Cobra that I took off not too long ago as well, and stuff it in one of these as well. And, with all that, I was able to really clean up the garage quite a bit. And I'll show you a video clip here of how it all turned out after it was all said and done. And granted, I still have a lot of other parts that I need to get rid of, but here's what it kind of looks like now. Over by the Infinity, cleaned that up quite a bit. And as you can see, I actually have some room on the floor. Cleaned off all the cars, model cars that I have, and stuffed them in some of the other cabinets. They were taking up a lot of space on top of the toolbox. And over here in this last one is where I'm keeping a lot of like the aerosols and that kind of thing. So as you can see here, there's still plenty of space to go, so I'm really excited with how this is turning out. But the cabinets look nice, and eventually I'll just rearrange some things a little bit more, get that last cabinet in. But anyway, just wanted to give you an update of how things were going. So thanks for watching. I'll try to get some more updates on the Mustang GT project and how it's going. And so stay subscribed.